S, you have another video for me. Mr. President Eka for hate speech. Hate speech.
Bureau now has the technology to use your IP number and find you wherever you are.
President Akasa, we argument be him. Also, your Bema to send me a call. Now, so person yet a Kevin. Over to me, said Kevin. Over so yes a Kevin. Emrano ho into our person your Bema now, so you know. Oh, your bar, yeah. It does not matter where you are, you can do it. A Krobia Ghana embassy, you can do it.
Kevin Taylor said, Mama senti wo embassy wo kuro bia so kwasia wo kuro na oteso no o embassy wo so na wa ameto wo ko Ghana wo ja wo me se wo kwasia ka kire Mahama ne se o ba bi wo ho e friend Ghana Jollof wo so wo meche no jimifo kwasia mpanyini John Mahama wo she tribe achi o mo konto kwa maka me se me nsia ka biem me se me nsuro ne nezuro ni tena because wo jimi wo meche me wo no na sha asante ne bunu ntokwa achi a wa ma na ekoso obi obedi di asante maya tembia sa nipa na yebunu ne ye John Mahama ene hye akire na oye sa ne kwase enti no wama entokwa asi sampa ye kuma policefo 94 no eye mama ne hye akire won na ye takra ojam susu jagum manisi Boko ntokwa Mahama ne se chiro to atuo ede ma nkrofo so mo fa ni sa adwuma ni kuro mu antokwa asi ene wo madwane a wo makoda ne refugees asase kitu abi se Mahama ne dwumadi odi ene ne nhyehyeye ne ne mo de koma nkrofo ta wo machi so mo fa nko no mo de yes ade no kwase ampanyini John Mahama aboa me se wo mekun atwa wuti asojafo na wo yi wo mu from military no mekun atwa wuti no mema obi a poison wo de obetimi a poison Mahama a poison no so ye house help be poison no mama no memma nipa no billions of dollars or on na busua be dia ensanda someone obi poison no obi poison Mahama kwasia ba bia wudidi me se wo wo krofo atwa anwesa memma o maku se wusuro na Jubilee House wayi militaries na fi wa kofisa enkrofo navy ni ehifo yi migration krofo foforo wakwese o mabego me se wo man memma o maku je wo be bia wo be wu apro na wo de wo nso kora wo munya te se de wo munya nkrofo 8 no nso no esesa aye no wo nso wo munya kwasi ampanyi no kofa Farida every children's home 2 years wa be dinene na anyima koyi ato agu wudi nkwasi asem we nyina awie na nipa beka wo se his speech yanko chere me se Kevin Taylor no kokwache no Kevin Taylor se wa wo yo ba me yo ba maka Mahama se wo hwa bete me se wo hwa na ye bema na wo ye bema bete me kwasia wo yire kobo akohwie wo yire ne Yakubu kobo akohwie wo gushegu ekwanyensen yankura bremu a wokofa na onyem enso ware no abema ne pe ne ba wo de president wudie esisi obi ampeso obede ne ba kwasia me se brabe mama wo se wo me se me ye wo Kevin Taylor wo ye useless wo to yiri basement ana wudi twepataye ana me nso me ye useless me timi kunu basement wo ware broni me nso me ware broni wudi twepataye me nso me di kote boto etimi no nyina pepepepe wudi twepataye broni twepataye ana me nso me di broni kote boto nti me se me no pe nti wantimi anche wo ntimi ncheme so wantimi anche wo ntimi ncheme kwasia twepata ne kote boto df what is me Kevin Taylor aboa.
Mr. S, you have another video for me. Mr. President Eka for hate speech. Hate speech.
Bureau now has the technology to use your IP number and find you wherever you are.
President Akasa, we argument be him. Also, your Bema to send me a call. Now, so person yet a Kevin. Over to me, I said Kevin. Over so yes a Kevin. Emrano ho into our person your Bema now, so you know. Oh, your bar, yeah. It does not matter where you are, you can do it. A Krobia Ghana embassy, you can do it.
Ebusuema wakaba beyond from Ghana and Sam TV eso. Kevin Taylor ene Ghana Jollof. Asem no Ay3k3. Kevin Taylor ba be ye video say we ye bema te say ono a. Asem a His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ka say omo ba be make sure say we be make any hate speech dia be to IP address aba be che wono. We are Bema te so no Kevin Taylor Jimmy focus yampeni na ono ti abudo chira na onim nyansa waya aboa da emuwa na tie ni ntino fi so onim nyansa no e be kan chira ye say wo gi so ye Bema te so no waya chira say ye Jimmy say no Kevin Taylor Jimmy fo a Jimmy fo na tie na emuwa na di wachi na emuwa so so ntino fi so onim nyansa no unyi omu nyina mo ye mwa. I'm telling you, and if you think say onim nyansa, I'm telling you today that you are a fool. Because everybody who listens to you, no, is also a fool. Therefore, all of you, you are fools. We are telling you. Who the hell do you think you are? Say wo ye bema te say wo a. Bema fon bi te say wo de yempe. Bema tantan te say wo yempe wo ye fie. Inim nyansa. Nipa ne wo ye nya mwa ne wo ye. Who Kevin Taylor? You are a fool. I'm telling you. Look at me. Me say we a fool. You don't trying to say okay, Kevin Taylor. Oh, trying. Say we a bema to say me. Who the hell do you think you are? Who the hell do you think you are? If not for these fools that we have in this country, who is Kevin Taylor? Who is Kevin Taylor? Such a useless entity like you. We are wine. I'm not the offer to be a man and I say maybe I like what this lady. I don't know. I know it's a lady or a woman. I don't even know her, but I like what she's doing. I like the way she's giving it to that foolish guy back to back. I say, oh, if you're a man like me, you are a useless man, and therefore, Obi no pay Jimmy 47 when he feel. Obi no pay Jimmy 47 when he feel. So if people are not talking, people are not saying anything because you are a fool, and Ghanaians see you to be a fool, and you being a fool, no, and they say reduce ourselves to your standard, to your level, and argue with you. And argue with you. Let it work. I'm telling you. So, you know, we live in a country whereby fools think they are wise. Now, at this year, Adanim Kwama and Kwamuno, from Monsa this year. And young one is also an Kevin Taylor, Nipamu doing trade to say, would giant to say, wow, a cousin Nipamu send Nipamu baby. Nipamu free, Nipamu a fear to say, Kevin Taylor. Kawo with me catch the say, a bema to say, woo, you. Now I can also be a man quadi and also money be with you because we are bar, we are bema. Bema or no food in our bowl, so bar, we are bema. See a sem quaqua, say, we are bema to say me. We are talking, bra. We are bema, Bragana now one nanti was street in emu free, near share. So, would you want this away a bema? Obagana, member security be and do it. Memo be and would just walk freely. Bones are no queer Jane. Bone be big to be where Tiwa. Or more would you on my terminal? They are looking for you. So, would you want this away a man, Bema, Obagana, walk freely to say the end freely I ain't through because you know be a bibia, indeed be a temp, young coffee BB, young booby, young co repeal be a new be a shade. To Oba, no one 93 said the answer 93 no. I am sure a dear. I won't say yes. Who drank? Who the hell do you think you are? You. We are about to start. The man I also share, you know, you're swinging for the war, and now we are professionals. We are experts in it. And Yababe, Ghanaians, who your expertise are work in the money be swinging, you know. Nonsense. Eh, yesterday we are one. Me Jimmy. Now when your bear man say will be our Ghana, will be. I'm telling you. Catch your respect yourself, Kevin Taylor. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. O trying for no champagne ba.